outdoor mode, and beam size.
Here are some simple activities that you can do to begin to learn to use the Sunu band and understand the beam of energy that comes from the sonar sensor and is received from it, and directing it like the flashlight into different areas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate the Sunu band. We're just going to begin by entering outdoor mode.
Sonar preset 2. Sonar off. Indoor sonar mode. Outdoor sonar mode.
So now we're in outdoor sonar
Outdoor sonar mode.
And basically that gives me a little bit greater distance that it will detect things at. And so ahead of me is a tree, and I'm going to use my wrist basically moving in different directions, and I can begin to sense that tree. If I walk closer to it, it begins the vibration. The closer I get, the frequency changes, and so that I can tell when I'm approaching it or when I'm getting farther away from it because of the intensity, either pulses or a steady vibration indication. So from certain places I may not get any vibration, and that would indicate that the path ahead of me is clear. As I get closer, that vibration will begin, and it helps me to know that I'm near it. So it's pulsing at a certain point. The pulsing becomes faster as I get closer and increases into a steady vibration once I get to a certain level. Some of these settings can be changed within the Sunu app so that it will detect things either closer or farther. You can have short range or long range, we'll say, but that's kind of the basics. By turning away from that tree, I feel the vibration stop. That will happen to either side of the tree. By keeping it centered on the tree, the vibration is there. It gives me a sense of how wide that beam is. So by going back and forth, it helps me to know how far it reaches, and from turning left to right, it helps me to know how wide that beam is.